3 people have been injured after people believed to be a Nairobi County askaris hurled a tear gas canister. This was not a protest. A tear gas canister inside a matatu heading to Umoja Estate. The incident that occurred last night has raised concern about the troubling mishandling of the public by the county askaris and the police who accompany them on such missions.
It is the calm after the fiery, smoky storm that has left 3 people nursing serious injuries, with others escaping with minor ones. The driver of the vehicle limps in pain after the incident that damaged his vehicle and probably visited losses to the vehicle's insurer. The 9:30 p.m. incident occurred yesterday after a confrontation between the matatu crew and City Council askaris that ended with 2 of the askaris boarding the matatu and directing the driver to the city county yard. But as soon as the vehicle was in motion,
something imerusha na ika-explode. Kidogo moshi ikaja, we were not able kutoka nje. So nikitry kutoka, kiti liko inawaka moto.
The incident came as a shock to the occupants of the vehicle. It would be more shocking for them to discover that the cause of the explosion was a tear gas canister hurled inside the matatu by a police officer who was in the company of county askaris, blatantly disregard the well-being of those inside.
Sikuweza kuona, kwanza niliingizwa hapo cause my whole body ilikuwa inawasha, my chest nilikuwa nikana feel na burn.
NTV's effort to get comment from the county was met with convenient aloofness. This as county enforcement officers and central police officers tried to convince the complainants to downplay the issue.
So wamepigiwa simu na OCS ameongea sijui na I guess ni mkubwa wao. Akawaambia wakuje waangalie gari venye inakaa ndio waseme kama watailipa ama hawatalipa.
The matatu operators have rejected the offer by the county and instead reached out to the media. In turn, the police and county officers then decided to accuse the driver of failing to stop and sparking the incident. On the 16th of March, a similar incident was reported as county askaris alongside police officers were caught on camera shooting tear gas canisters into yet another PSV vehicle.
The simple act of boarding a matatu to or from work seems to be becoming a dangerous venture, with the police seemingly orchestrating a truce between the owners of the matatus and the City Council askaris. The question remains, who will compensate the injured passengers and bring the rogue askaris to book? Charity Mwangi, NTV.